Hey, welcome back to Legally TT. For those of you that are returning and for my newcomers, thank you for stopping by. So today I am going to show you how I remove this unit. It is time for it to come off. I don't normally install my unit, so 3-4 days and I'm about ready for it to go. I am going to use the Shea Moisture Wig and Weave Bond Release Spray. I like this spray because it has tea tree and olive oil, and it hydrates when it removes. Personally, I will not use alcohol because alcohol not only will dry out my skin, but it will also dry out the hair. And you don't want it to dry out the hair and make it brittle, especially at the roots, because then your lace will start to bald. So I don't use alcohol, and personally. Also, because this is a colored unit, I definitely don't want any alcohol on it. So we're just gonna spray. Spray, rub just a little bit. I still rub gently because I still, don't want to mess up my roots, mess up my lace. See, I can feel it releasing. I just rub lightly. And if you haven't watched my previous, what is up with me in this prettiest video? I did that in another video. My previous video on the install, make sure you watch that. Like I said, I just spray and make sure I'm rubbing it in, and it's released. So that's that. Uh-oh, I'm moving, touching stuff. So that is the unit. It is off. Of course, I'm going to clean my lace up. This actually does really well with helping to clean the lace up because it breaks everything down really well. So I'll just be able to kind of rinse that off. So now we have to get this bald cap off. I'm going to use the same stuff to get this bald cap off. Same method. Still not going to use any alcohol. All that makeup. Ew. That's why I have to get this. I can't leave this on my skin long. Because I have eczema. And I don't want my face all broke out just because I was trying to be cute for a few days and not, not take my unit off. As you can see, I'm just rubbing, and this rubs up just as well. No, this is not a paid promotion. I bought this from Target because it looked like something I wanted to use. Like I said, because it has the moisturizing oils and everything in it. So I bought it. And I just rub it in with my finger. I know I have gel all the way back there, so that's why I went so far back. Look! Woohoo, ladies! Save your edges. Save your hair. Yes, my braids need to be done. That's why I'm taking this off, so I can take my braids out and wash my hair. So that was a quick and easy removal. I have the little bit of edges that I have. For those of you that don't know, I actually lost all of my edges up to my sideburns due to fertility medicine. Unfortunately, they look like they are starting to come in a little bit, just a little, not major. They're not, bless me, they're not fully grown back in. Bless me, sorry. They're not fully grown back in, but we don't worry. But we still make sure we protect them. because I could not imagine trying to rip this off my hair. Ain't no way. Personally, I don't know if I'll do the bald cap method again. I just wasn't a super fan of it. I just prefer either, if I'm going to put the cap on, you know, I can actually sew the cap down so it doesn't slide. Or I can wear I thought I had one over here. One of my wig bands, which has the lace in it, so I don't have to worry about you actually seeing it. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do the wig cap method. I know I am going to do a video on an install with Bold Hold Active. And soon as Fingers gets some Mega Bond, I kept saying Ultra Bond, Mega Bond back in stock, I'm going to do a video with Mega Bond as well, especially since I already have her whole line, bond remover and all. But we'll do an install video on this, and we will do an install video on Fingers glue, just to show you guys some different glues and, you know, give you my opinion on how it held. My unit probably could have stayed on another couple days, but I just couldn't handle it. I just had to take it off. I probably maxed out at about 3 days, and I'm like, okay, time to take the wig off. I like to sleep without it. That's just my preference. Because I actually straightened that unit yesterday, but then I balled it up and put it under my bonnet, and it wasn't straight no more. The hair is pretty soft, so it just was like, oh, I'll take all the crinkle you'll give me. So it was just time to take it off. I'll probably just restyle her, throw her on the mannequin. I really liked her straight. Take a look at my Instagram, and you will see her straightened and with a little bit of curl. I think I also have pictures after I had just curled her as well. So take a look, just scroll, there's stuff there. So my goal is to fix my roots on this unit. Like I said before, I was playing around and, you know, over bleached my knots. It happens. But I was experimenting. So I'm going to fix the roots on this one, and I believe this will be our next install. She is a jerry curl. I was plucking the front, so that's why this is frizzy. So she is a jerry curl unit. I believe she is 22 inches. So this is going to be the next install video. I did, of course, make her on my sewing machine. So I'll show you guys what the inside looks like. I did add a comb at the bottom, and an elastic band. I play around with my units. It is not necessary to have the elastic band because it is an adjustable, but I was like, hey, let's see how it fits. So this is the unit. So pretty. I love when my stitches are gorgeous. So that is the next install. Turn her this way. I don't want y'all to see all the fluff. That's the next install. She does have some mild highlights. But she is gorgeous. I love jerry curl hair. So this is going to be, I don't know what I'm going to do it. I don't know. I got other work to do to get done. So we shall see. And I got to wash this, get it rebraided. And I usually don't do installs on fresh braids because I don't like product in my hair. But I feel the need to have gel to really protect my hair, and it's not rubbing right up against my hair. The gel is there. So this will probably be a little bit before I do this install, like full install. It will be a glue install since it is a frontal. So maybe I'll just restyle a different unit and rock that until my braids get fuzzy and time to redo. So once again, Thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you liked this content. Just something short and sweet to show you how I do a removal. And make sure you check out the other videos. And like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And share with friends. Share with family. Just share it. So I'll see you in my next one.